Hi, I'm Robert Flowers, and we're going to talk about the best locations for rental properties. If you're someone who is interested in investing in real estate, you've probably wondered where the best places to buy rental properties are. In this video, I'll be sharing my insights on the top locations that can help you maximize your investment returns. First, let's talk about why rental properties are such a popular investment option. Real estate investing, especially in rental properties, has been a time-tested way to build wealth. Unlike other investments such as stocks and bonds, rental properties can provide consistent cash flow and appreciate in value over time. Additionally, owning rental properties can provide tax benefits such as deductions for expenses like mortgage interest, property taxes, and repairs. Now let's dive into the best locations for rental properties. The first location to consider is college towns. College towns can be a goldmine for rental property investors. Students are always looking for affordable housing options, and many students live off campus. Additionally, many college towns have a stable rental market due to the consistent demand from students. You can also consider investing in multifamily properties in college towns, as these properties tend to be in high demand. The second location to consider is tourist destinations. Popular tourist destinations like beach towns or ski resorts can also be great locations for rental properties. Vacation rentals can generate a significant amount of rental income during peak seasons. It's important to keep in mind that these types of properties may have higher maintenance costs due to the wear and tear from vacation renters. Third, urban areas are also a great location for rental properties. As more people move to cities, the demand for rental properties continues to increase. Additionally, many urban areas have a high population of young professionals who are not ready to buy a home yet. These renters tend to have a higher income and may be willing to pay more for a nicer property. Another location to consider is areas with strong job growth. When an area experiences job growth, there tends to be an increase in demand for rental properties. Additionally, if the area has a diverse job market, this can provide a more stable rental market. Lastly, suburbs can also be a great location for rental properties. Many people prefer to live in the suburbs due to the lower cost of living and access to good schools. Additionally, many people who rent in the suburbs are saving up to buy a home, which can provide a more stable rental market. In conclusion, there are several great locations to consider when investing in rental properties. College towns, tourist destinations, urban areas, areas with strong job growth, and suburbs are all great options to consider. Each location has its own unique advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to do your research and evaluate each option carefully. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn more about real estate investing, be sure to check out this video on increasing and stabilizing your rental income.